So I'm standing in the living room, and we've got the kitchen there. And turn here. It's like a kind of little hallway-like thing. Here we've got the carpet's nice carpet, but you can tell like furniture's been sitting here for a while. So this doesn't have a closet, so this would be considered like a study or something. It could be an office, a nursery. Looks like it would need a new paint job in here. Okay, but again, it's got the tall ceilings and it has an overhead light, which is nice. Okay, hang on the left. Okay, powder room. Everything does seem to be original. Okay, it's even got a little wallpaper border. Right. Cabinets are the same color as what's in the kitchen. Okay, we got the laundry. Nice size laundry room for sure. It's a laundry sink too. That's nice. Nice blinds. This is 2-inch blinds, faux wood. Okay. This is a laminate floor, not tile. Okay. Got the garage. So huge garage. Huge garage. 2-car garage plus plenty of space for like a workbench. Looks like they have a water filter over there. Water softener. So looks great in here.